Today we are going to revise the math number system. First, how we write the number name. All of you will know how we write the number name in Indian system and international system. Now we revise through the examples. First, Indian system. Indian system of numeration. In Indian system, first we write ones place digit, after ones tens, after tens hundred, after hundred thousand, after thousand 10,000, after 10,000 lakhs, after lakhs 10 lakhs, and after 10 lakhs crore. Okay, in this manner we divide the number in periods and we put the commas after ending periods. Suppose if we take some example, suppose we want to write the number name of this 7 3 6 4 2 1. First we put the commas ones, tens, hundred, after hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, after 10,000, comma, and lakhs. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. Now 7 is the place of lakhs, hence we write 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs, $36 thousands, 421, 400 21. In this manner we can write the number name in Indian system of numeration. 7,36,421. Now we take the example of international system of numeration. In international system we write ones, tens, and hundred one column, and thousand, 10,000, and 100,000 in one column, and million, 10 million, and 100 million in one column. Ones, tens, hundred in one column, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000 in one column, and million, 10 million, and 100 million in one column. In this manner we write the number name in international system of numeration, and we put the commas after ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000, and million, 10 million and 100 millions. Okay. Okay. First we take the examples. Suppose we take seven, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, and 6, 4, 5. We take a large number, and in the same manner we can write the number name of small numbers also. First we put the commas ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Now we write the number name 710, 710. This is total 710 million. 700, 7, 100, 10 million, 710 million, 321,000, 3, 100, 21,000, 321,000, 645, 645. In this manner, we can write the number name in international system of numeration. In international system and in Indian system, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 is the same. But after 10,000 in Indian system, lakhs will come. But in international system, 100,000 will come. Okay. Next, how we write the expanded form of the numbers? What is the expanded form? We write the digits in the summation form, sum form, according to their place value. Suppose if we want to write the expanded form of this number 3, 6, 4, 1, 2. How we write the expanded form of this number? 3. What is the place value of 3? What is the place value? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 3 is the place of 10,000, and the place value of 3 is 30,000. 30,000. Or simply after 3 we write the zeros 1 2 3 4 zeros, because 4 digit is given. 1 2 3 4 6 4 2 1. After the digits, every digit replaced by the 0, plus what is the place value of 6? 6000. Here we write 6000. What is the place value of 4? 400. What is the place value of 1? 10's place 10. What is the place value of 2? 2 is the 1's place, hence place value of 2 is 2. In this manner, we can write the expanded form of the numbers. What is the place value and face value? 4 6 2 1. What is the place value of? Write the place value and face value of 6 in the given number. The total number is 4621. What is the place value of 6? 1's 10's 100. Place value of 6 is 600. What is the face value? Face value is the value of the digit. Hence the face value of 6 is equal to 6. Face value of 4 in this number is equal to 4. Face value of 2 is equal to 2. Okay. In this manner, we can write the place value and face value of the number. Now, how we make the greatest and smallest number when the digits are given. Suppose there are given digits is 3, 4, 0, 2. The question is, find the or write the greatest and smallest number by using these digits. Repeating is not allowed. First, greatest number. Greatest number. Okay. For writing greatest number, first we write the greatest digit in the given digits. What is the greatest digits? 4 is greatest. Hence first we write 4. After 4, 3 is greatest. After 4, 2 is greatest. And after 2, 0. The greatest number will be 4320. And what is the smallest number? Smallest number. For smallest number, first we write the smallest given digits, but we never can write the 0 in the highest place digit, in the highest place value. We never write the 0 at the highest place. Hence, we not write 0 first. First we write 2. And after 2, we write 0. And after 0, we write 3. And after 3, we write 4. The smallest number, by forming given digits 3, 4, 0 and 2, 2034. This is the smallest number. This is the greatest number. What is the predecessor and successor? If we write for predecessors, we write here P, and for successors, we write here S, and we take a number. Suppose we take a number 59. What is the successor of 59? For forming successor, we add 1 in the number, or the next consecutive number of the 59. 59 plus 1, 60. What is the predecessor? We subtract 1 from the number, or the number just 59, just before 59. What is the number? Predecessor 58. 59 plus 1, 60. 59 minus 1, 58. The successor of 59 is equal to 60. The predecessor of 59 is equal to 58. Next number, if we take 71. What is the successor of 71? 70. What is the predecessor of, the successor of 71 is 72 and the predecessor of 71 is equal to 70. In this manner, we can write the predecessor and successor of the numbers. How we round off the numbers? We will learn, but here we discuss through the examples. Suppose we take a number 3, 2, 9, 9. We want to write the round of this number in nearest 10. For nearest 10, we check the ones place digit. If ones place digit is greater than 5, then we add 1 at the tens place, and if ones place digit is less than 5, hence we do not add 1 at the tens place, and simply we write the number and we make the 0 at the ones place. Suppose what is that round off value of this number nearest 10? Nearest 10. Ones place digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Hence we add 1 in the tens place value. And this digit will be equal to, this is make to 0. 9 plus 1, 10. But here we cannot write 10. We write here 0. 1 carry add from here 2. 2 plus 1, 3. The nearest 10, rounding of nearest 10 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, 3 and 0, 0. What is the nearest 100? Round off value of nearest 100. For nearest 100, we check the tens place digit. It is 9 greater than 5. Hence, we add 1 from in the 2. 3 and 2 plus 1, 3. And this 2 digits may be 0. Next, nearest 1000. What is the round off value of 3299 in nearest 1000? For nearest 1000, we check the 100 place digit. What is the 100 place digit? 1 tens 100. It is equal to 2. Hence, it is less than 5. Hence, we cannot add 1 on the 1000 place, or 3. Hence, we write here simply 3, 0, 0 and 0. 2 is less than 5. Hence, we cannot 1 at the 3. In the 3. Okay. And after 3, we make 3 digits is equal to 0. Nearest 1000, the round off value nearest 1000 of this number is equal to 3000. In this manner, we can write the round off value of the given number. Okay.